What are you doing, Patrick? What'd you just create?
I'm trying to fucking...
Famous. Famous. You've been on YouTube for how long? 5 minutes? You already have like 300 subs?
It's just 4 minutes.
Alright boys, welcome back to another video. As you saw, Patrick just created his brand new YouTube channel, so please go give him a subscribe, go give him a follow on Instagram. I'm gonna put all the information down below in the description, and I'm gonna put a little picture right here because why not? Where are we at? So it's been 3 days since I took off the carbon fiber and I took off all the wrap, and I haven't done anything. Last time I went to the meet, I was supposed to do it like when I came back from work, but I was so tired. I was like, nah, I'm cool. So right now I feel a little bit energetic. I feel cool.
Day 2.
The wrap is coming in a couple of days, so I want the car a little bit ready. Now we can start wrapping once the actual film gets here. So Axel's gonna be working on the bumper. He's gonna try taking it off. We're gonna put in the M3 bumper. I'm gonna wash that 32 really quick, and then we're both gonna work on sanding down that piece in the back before we can start molding it. And he's completely done, but I have no idea what I want to do right here. Leave that on, just find the actual fog lamp like lens itself, or take them off and cut off the little brackets that come with it and just leave it blank and just leave maybe this mesh grill. I don't know, I'm kind of digging more this side, honestly. Now that you're standing a little bit far back, which, do you have an idea what side you're leaning more on?
I feel like a little more aggressive open up.
Yeah. You know what, yo, let's full send it. Let's open both of them up and then just cut the brackets that hold it off, and we'll run it like that. Yeah, we're just gonna cut these brackets.
Day 3.
It's been 1 week since I last picked up the camera. I was legit dying, like I felt so horrible. So it's Friday night. The wrap is gonna be coming in tomorrow morning, so I will pick up the camera and show you guys the color before I end this, like, part 2 of the series. But before I end it, I legit have not done anything like at all for the past like week or so. This is still like ready to go. I can start like molding the carbon fiber trunk. Tonight I want to focus on getting the back end ready for the wrap, because like I said, tomorrow morning the wrap's gonna get here, and I legit have not done anything to the car, and we're super delayed, we're super behind, which isn't too bad because we still got like 3 months till Beamer Fest, so we still have plenty of time. Patrick's car has been sitting here for a couple days now, so like I was telling you, for his vlog, if you guys want to see like everything he's done to it, go check out his YouTube. I'll have the description in the description. I'll have like his YouTube link and stuff. But so tonight we're just gonna end up working on the e90, just getting it ready, just for wrap ready. So I'm gonna set you guys down here, just kind of facing me, and I'm gonna be working on removing just the rear end. So I got that done. Now I'm trying to, I wasn't going to remove the back bumper. I was just gonna leave it right there until we got the wrap, but I'm like, might as well start early. So I'm trying to remove the back rear bumper. Clips all around. These are pretty easy because once the sides are off, you just kind of pull and then these come off, not broken or anything. But these are a little bit trickier. So usually the trick is if you put, damn, the whole thing fell off. Usually if you put like a flat or something, I don't know if you guys can see, maybe. Let me get a light for you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see that better now. So the trick is usually if you get a flat and push this down, it unhooks, right? But this plastic sometimes is really strong. So no matter how much like pressure you push, sometimes it doesn't unhook like properly. Just because this isn't flat anymore. This is probably like hanging like a little off. So I ended up just pulling them off. I'm going to see if I can just fix this really quick. I'll show you guys how I usually fix my, like if I break something like this, I'll show you guys how I fix them. Because yeah, they need to be fixed before we pop them in. The rest is clear, the rest is good. On this side, everything's kind of good. It's just probably these two and those two are good. Alright boys, so this is the trick. This is usually what I end up using when I want to fix like plastic clips that I messed up or snapped, right? This is a soldering tool. This is normally used for like soldering wires. It's an uncommon method, but I've done it before. That's actually how I fixed the, I'll put this down on top. That's how I fixed the side skirt. It was completely broken in half. I don't know if I showed you on some previous vlogs, but this was completely broken in half. I used this guy front and back, like the plastics kind of melted and they like joined together. Then I used some body filler, just kind of covered it up, sanded it down, and it came out fine. I didn't have to buy another side skirt. So I'm almost done with this first one that I started working on. Let me see if I can focus a little bit. There we go, it kind of focused. So this one looked exactly like this one. It was completely broken. It was actually a little bit worse because it was broken a little bit on this side. So it was only holding on by like a little piece of plastic. So with this guy, since it's really hot, I don't know if you guys can see the smoke. Yeah, you guys can see it. So all this, it really heats up the plastic and it kind of like makes into this mushy plastic, right? It kind of just have to play with it a little bit, just kind of get it heat up over here. It kind of melts, so you push that melted plastic over here on top of it, and I swear after it cools down, it's legit. It like makes it really hard. So that's usually how I fix like all these like little ones. And once I put it on, it'll legit snap on. It's good. Cool. So this is the finished product. I probably need to work on this one just a tiny bit more, but everything else is legit. It's still a little hot, but definitely look not moving. It's legit. So yeah, so my clips, I don't have to buy a bumper or or do anything. The clips will fit perfectly fine back in there. And this time I will find the screws where I can screw this back onto here. That way I get it fully bolted back on. And like I said, the rest of the clips are pretty good. I probably just need to fix these two right here, and that's it. The bumper's good. So now I'm gonna fix this really quick. But now that the bumper's like legit, like good, I'm probably gonna put it somewhere back here, or probably put it inside. And I really need to clean this up. Once I clean this up, it's perfect. It's ready for wrap. Like I was telling you guys, when I'm doing this series, I'm trying to, at the end of the video, trying to like show you guys something fun. So tomorrow at night, I'm off. I think a bunch of us are off. Patrick won't be able to drive his car because obviously it's in the garage, but the F-32, we might take it out to a car meet, hit up some people that have been trying to do like a photo shoot with me. So hopefully it gets popping on the car meet. Hopefully, we get a good content. So so far for the E90, we're gonna leave it as here for part 2, and hope you guys enjoy the little meet that we're gonna go to tomorrow. So stay tuned. Part 3 is probably me wrapping the back part and showing you guys a little bit more of the goodies we ordered for the E90. So stay tuned for part 3. Thank you guys for watching this little series, and hope you guys enjoy the car meet tomorrow. Bruh, slow ass fool, slow. Bro, I straight gapped you like 20 minutes ago. Where were you at?
Nah, we just left the house. We was out here like in 5 seconds. Damn.
You won't shoot flames?
You won't do a donut right now? You said what?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue the vlog from last night. So legit, when I was doing series 2 of the E90, right, I was telling you guys that I was gonna do something fun for you guys. That way the series doesn't get boring. And we hit up this like little meet that we're about to hit up. Alex is here. Of course, I brought my car. Hugo's here. He brought a couple of different other cars. Got a couple Mustangs out there. So this isn't the like the meetup location. This is just like a preemie kind of thing. Right now we're gonna mob it over to the like little boba spot where it's at, where the meet's at. But what took you so long, Alex? We literally left the house like at the same time, and he got here like 10 minutes later. Hey, I just noticed that Beamer is freaking sick. Hugo, what are you doing with the Mustangs? Patrick, are you vlogging right now, bro?
Yeah, bro. Are you vlogging?
What are you doing? We're supposed to be.
That's me, huh?
Hey, 400? Sick ass fool.
I was gonna bring my Jetta, but you know, it's still sleeper.
You're installing that turbo, huh? Damn, Alex, 400 out? Is that new?
Yeah.
Is that from China though? Jeez.
The color?
Sick ass fool.
That one looks like fucking Alex's VT's cover, but it's not. It's just GT. Mr. Burger, you made it?
These Mustangs look sick.
I wonder what this fool's name is. I think it's Jose.
I should tell Joe to bring his Roush, huh?
I know. Is Gio Fresno?
Yeah, he's in Fresno.
Bring his Roush.
I'm gonna call him real quick.
Does he have an Eclipse suit?
He has his Roush out. Let's go. Easy win.
Hey, remember, I'm on low boost. I'm just on off the map MHD. I'm literally pushing like 480 horsepower, right?
Yeah, so like 18 pounds of boost.
Probably less. I'm probably like at 16, and I just, like, you know, that's pretty good. Enough to be like 5.0s and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Probably not tuned 5.0s. I'd probably end up still getting yapped by those guys. But yeah,
Until you're on bigger boost.
I'm just on low boost. Fuck. But what do you have on it?
Just the intake and the tune.
In the team?
Oh, intake and tune. Was it?
It has a little sticker right there with numbers.
Damn, we about to get pulled over tonight.
I don't know, bro. That's just kind of sketchy. Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
I was in the middle of brake boost.
That's right. Let's go. Similar setup as the last Mustang.
your head. He said your head.
I know, I did.